When a customer conversation needs another teammate's attention, how do you loop them in without the customer seeing it? With private notes in Periskope, you can leave internal messages directly inside a chat, visible only to your team, never to the customer. In this video, we'll show you how. Open any chat. At the bottom of the chat, you'll see two tabs, WhatsApp and Private Note. Click on Private Note. Before you tag someone, it helps to add context, so your teammate knows exactly what's going on without having to read through the entire conversation. Once you've added your context, tag the right person using the @ symbol, just type it and their name will appear. For example, at Rohosen, this customer is asking about the AI features. Can you take a look at this? Once you send it, the note appears inside the chat, visible only to your team. Private notes keep all the context in one place. Your teammate can open the chat, read the full conversation, see your note, and take over, without any back and forth on Slack or email. Get started today, the link is in the description.